Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 6 Computer Science. We are going to start chapter number 3. This is the chapter that you have already seen in your Zoom classroom. We discussed about these options of chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is being started in your book from page number 28, Advanced Features of Microsoft Excel. So there are some different options that we are going to explore in this video. So on page number 28, you will see that what are different topics available in this chapter. First, we are going to discuss about autofill. What is meant by the autofill? We will take a new file of Microsoft Excel. We will click on the blank file. Now we have to understand basically the purpose of autofill. Autofill means when you want to have some series of numbers or objects, series of statistics, series of data. So how you can have that series without typing the complete series? For example, if I type over here 1 and if I drag it by the down right corner when mouse cursor, this is a thick mouse cursor which is in the form of plus sign. Now when we go to the down right corner, it will become a thin black plus sign. When we will drag it, you will see that 1 is coming again and again. So it is basically a technique to copy the data in cells. For example, if I write over here computer and I go to this cell and I drag it from the down right corner. So computer will be copied in all the cells. It is a simple strategy to autofill a column, for example, where there you are going to mention the subjects for all these students and all these students are having computer. You want to type computer for each student. So you can type computer over here and you can drag it down. So it will be filled automatically. Now, we have to see, for example, if we want to print some series of numbers, let's suppose if I say 1, then 2 should come, then 3 should come. So I will have to tell at least initial two values, 1 then 2. We will select both of them. Why? So that the Excel should understand the difference between the first element and the next element. The difference is basically is of 1. When we will drag it, you will see that Excel understands the difference between the two terms, the two values that you gave over here in the very first two cells. So Excel has automatically created the numbers up to 10. Even then, if you will drag it down, so you are going to have the next numbers, but you will have to select at least two, then you are going to have next numbers. Okay. So in this way, you can fill the numerical data. You can click on it to bring it in the center. Let's suppose if I say, okay, 1, then 3 should come. 1, then 3. So now the difference is of 2, means odd numbers will be generated. Now if I drag it down, you can see that 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. So Excel understood that the difference between 1 and 3 is of 2. So Excel added 2 in the next term, then added 2 in the next term, then added 2 in the next term to generate the next value. So in the next cells, we have got the values according to the common difference in the very first two um values that we gave in the first two cells. So in this way, we can use this autofill option. Now come to the data, which is basically not numerical data, character data. Let's suppose if I type Sunday, I am not typing the complete spelling. I type sun and when I drag it, you will notice that it is going to mention the next day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. When I drag it, Friday, Saturday. Even then, if I drag it down, then again it will start from the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. How Excel understands this? This we will think, we will see this thing. How Excel understands this series K after Sunday there should be Monday and then Tuesday. Even if I write it with the complete spelling, I can drag it down Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So how we can do this? This is basically a question. Basically, these are saved in the memory of Excel. That's why Excel understands about it. Now, whenever you will draw some series, you will see one thing. One important thing will be there. Whenever you draw a series, there is a button. This is basically a button. Some data when you are drawing some data, you will see one button over here. When you open it, there are some options. These are the options that we need to understand: copy cell, fill cell, formatting only, fill without formatting, fill days, fill weekdays, flash fill. Now we have to understand basically what is this thing. First of all, copy cell. Copy cell means the very first cell will be copied in all the data. This is called copy cell. Copy cell means if you don't want to type the next days, you just want to have Sunday in all the cells, because you are making some schedule for all the students or for all the classes where Sunday is there. So in that situation, you are going to select this option, copy cell. Fill series means it will be done according to the given series. Definitely after Sunday there should be Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday. So it will be done by the fill series. What is meant by fill formatting only? Will fill formatting only will not bring the data, but only the formatting. Formatting means what is the color of the color and size, and for example, if I make it red, if I make it bold, and I make it underline. Now if I drag it and I say that formatting only. So data will not come here, but its formatting has been copied over here. If I will type here Monday, so it will come with the same formatting, means it will come in the red color, it will come with the underline, it will come with the same size. Formatting will be copied. So formatting means ki design, text style, font size, etc. These things will be copied. Okay. Now without formatting means ki don't copy the formatting. Formatting will not be copied. Fill days. Fill days means all the days. All the days means after Sunday there is Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But if we go to the weekdays, weekdays में क्या होगा? What will happen in the weekdays? It will not include the Saturday and Sunday, because normally internationally the Saturday and Sunday is a holiday. So weekdays means ke Saturday, Sunday is not there. Only those days are there which are basically the weekdays. So this is how we can change the text. Okay, so these all are the options given on your page number 29. You have to go through these all options. You have to check these all options: copy cell, fill series, formatting, fill formatting only, fill without formatting, fill days, fill weekdays, etc. etc. And inshallah, I hope you will be able to understand this thing. Now come to a series that I want to create for my own convenience. For example, if I type over here apple, when I drag it, some other fruit's name should come. But when I am going to drag it, nothing is there. Why? Because this series is already created. I think I had created in MS Excel. For example, if I say, okay, I want to have a series of the devices. When I write mouse, then keyboard should be there, then monitor should be there, then all the devices should come. But there is only mouse. Why? Because there isn't such series. How we can create our own series? Basically, this is called custom list. Custom list means that when we are going to create our own series, this is called custom list. How we can create our own custom list? We will go to the file option. We will go to the options. Over here we will go to the advanced, and here we will find out the custom series option, custom, edit custom lists. And in the edit custom lists, we will type the list that we want to have. Okay, now just see that basically this is the shape of the, these are not available, these are the things that I have created. Now see what happens. Again, see, when we go to the file option, we go to options. Now here if we type, if we go to advanced, we will find out over here custom list. Now these are the default options given over here. We can add our own list from here. For example, just like I was saying, type apple, comma mango, comma banana, comma orange. So this is my series that I have created. When I will click on the add, it has been added now. I can create as many series as I want. Now if I type over here apple and if I drag it, this is a custom series. This is my own series created by me. So we can create a series of, let's suppose, if I go to the options and I go to the advanced and I go to custom lists. So I add one more, for example, stationery, pencil, comma pen, comma eraser, comma copy, comma scale. This is my custom series. I have added it. I press OK. I say OK. Now if I write over here pencil and if I drag it down, you will see that after pencil there is pen, then eraser, then copy, then scale, then again starting from the pencil. So series will be generated according to my custom series. Custom series means user defined series, as the user has created its own series. We can create the series of our class students. If I go to advanced option and I go to custom series, I am writing over here Ali, Ahmed, Salman, Shehzad, Ubaid, and many more. Okay, fine. Okay, now if I write Salman and if I drag it, then after Salman, whose name was there, the names will come accordingly. After Salman, there was Shehzad Ubaid, then starting from Ali, Ahmed, Salman. So it will be repeated again and again in this way. This is how we can create our own series. Now come towards the next topic, which is basically the flash fill. What is meant by the flash fill? Flash fill is another option that we can tell the Microsoft Excel. I am going to take a new file over here in the Microsoft Excel in order to explain you the flash fill. Flash fill is given on your page number 32. For example, if I take last name, this table is given in your book, by the way. Last name, first name, middle name. First name, and then I say middle name. Okay, fine. Now we increase a bit length of the. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 records. Okay, I'm going to apply all borders. Now in the last name, Chaudhary. This table is basically given on your books numbers, page number 32. Chaudhary Sabine, and then middle name is C. Khan, Nile. Nile is the first name. And then middle name is A. Let's suppose Hamid Noshad. Noshad is the last name. Hamid Noshad. Then Javed Sumaya. We are not mentioning their middle name. Now we take another column with the name of full name. Full name is the column that we are going to take. Now we will take another column with the name of full name. Full name, in full name, if I type over here Sabine C. Chaudhary. Now, if we go to the next cell, Excel understands that Sabine is the first name, C is the middle name, and Chaudhary is the last name. Now, in the next column, if I type Nile, so it gives you automatically, it gives you. I did not type the complete spelling, I just type NA. So Excel understands that Nile A Khan, it should be the full name that should come over here. This is called flash fill. It is basically under and the understanding of Microsoft Excel. So what we will do, we will press enter and we will press enter and we will press enter. All the names will come automatically. This is called flash fill. I hope you have got this lesson and you are able to understand these options: autofill, custom list, and flash lists. Do practice for it at your homes on your PCs.